Welcome back to Teaching Technology. In this video, we will be installing Go using Ubuntu. Prerequisites are Ubuntu latest version and curl. So let's make sure that we have curl installed. So we'll run curl -- version. So we do have it installed. Now let's check and see if we have Go installed. And we do not. So these are the commands. Let's minimize our Ubuntu server. First, we're going to run this curl command. And let that run. Just want to remind everyone that I will be doing a full Golang tutorial. And great news, I am getting some software so that all of my videos will be translated in every single language. Well, at least Mandarin, Hindi, Spanish, French. It's obviously in English now. As we grow the channel, I'd love to work with voice actors that are from other countries as well. So, and also Russian. It's another language that'll be translated in, and Arabic. Next command is this SHA-256 command. And now you see we have the target. Now we're going to run this sudo command. Put our password in. It's going to download all the Go packages. Runtime, fix bugs, everything you can think of. Alright, now let's get the profile. Add the path. Alright, we're going to save it. Perfect. Now let's refresh the browser. And now let's check and see if we have it installed. And we do not have it installed. So what we're going to do is we're going to run sudo apt install Golang Go. And let it install. But yes, I will be doing a full Golang tutorial, so put in the comments what you'd like the video to be on specifically. What I'll probably end up doing is obviously the basics, and then I will do a spin wheel of topics, and whatever that lands on, that will be what the tutorial will be on. So it could be anywhere from a database type project to a cybersecurity type project, supply chain type project. It really just depends on what it lands on. But while this is installing, So I will pause the video. And we're back. And let's make sure that it is installed. And it is installed. Now let's create a sample project called Hello World. Let's cd in the Hello World. You have to do this command no matter what. Go mod init hello world. It's nano hello world. Let's create a project called hello.go. And now let's paste this code. Basically all it's doing is it is just saying hello world. Nothing crazy. And let's save it. And now let's run it. And hello world. Make sure to subscribe. There will be a full Go tutorial coming soon. And make sure to ring that bell and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will make a full Golang tutorial coming soon.